Hi guys, welcome back to Desi Indian Riders. So we are on the Eastern Express Highway, guys, and we are heading to Igatpuri to enjoy rains. We hope to get some rains there. We are right now in Mumbai. यहाँ पे तो बारिश नहीं हो रही है, but we expect to get some rains on the way. And here we are.
और उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम लोग आपको काफ़ी सारी ग्रीनरी, वाटरफॉल्स और नेचर का मज़ा दें. So please keep watching.
Alright, so guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Hi guys, so here we are, we have reached Kasara right now, and we thought of halting here for like 5 minutes, the first stop or halt of the day. And yep, here we are at Kasara. Igatpuri is like what, 25 kilometers from here right now. So we are heading to Igatpuri, as you all know. So we just thought of just halting here for a while and then starting the journey again. So maybe you want to add?
Yeah, this is the first halt for the day. We just saw a change in climate and it is so soothing. It's just the beginning of Mother Nature and we just want to go ahead and enjoy it.
So we just wanted to show you something, guys. So look at this, guys. Look at the greenery out here. It is amazing. All right, so we are in Kasara and we are moving there right now. Okay.
So it's Igatpuri.
So Igatpuri, once again, as I told you, it's just 25 kilometers. So keep watching, guys. We heading Igatpuri. We hope to get some rains there. So yep. Let's start the journey, guys. Ganpati Bappa Moria. All right. So we just crossed Kasara and we are heading towards Kasara Ghat, and it's the climate is awesome out here, guys. It's perfect for riding. बारिश नहीं हो रही है, but then it's very cloudy and मतलब बारिश कभी भी किसी भी वक्त हो सकती है, ऐसा climate हो चुका है. So we actually came to Igatpuri because we thought that we might get, we might enjoy rains, but then it's not raining at all here. But then it's fun riding with this climate. It's not hot, it's not rainy, it's cloudy, and look at the greenery. This is awesome. इगतपुरी ऐसी जगह है कि आई बिलीव कि बारिश में एक बार तो आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए. So now we're heading towards the Kasara Ghat, as you all can see. So this is the one way, and I believe the other way is on the right. If you can see some vehicles coming up from there, that's where you can come back. So since we are going towards Igatpuri, this is the lane that we go through. It's an awesome ghat. People call it dangerous. The reason why they call it dangerous because sometimes you see vehicles also coming from the front. So that's the reason why maybe people think that the ghat is dangerous. But then I've been riding on this ghat for quite some time now. We've been going to a lot of places through Nasik. I do not find this ghat dangerous at all. In fact, it's an awesome ghat. And just maintain a right speed and ride at a controllable speed, and I think you're through. So the curves have started right now, and see, this is what I'm talking about, the oncoming traffic. They're coming in the wrong way, and especially during the monsoon season, when the visibility is a little low, that is when it becomes a little difficult to judge, because normally if you're a newcomer, you will just ride as if, or ride or even drive for that matter, as if it's a one-way. But then there are people coming up from the front, so be very vigilant whenever you come on this Kasara highway, especially during monsoons when it's raining heavily, guys. I think बहुत जगह पे काम हो चुका है, because बहुत सारे potholes और बहुत सारे uneven patches थे, but then I don't see a lot of them. I think a lot of them have been taken care of. सब जगह पर क्या कहते हैं वो, डांबर लगा दिया है और everything is being maintained. See, it's beautiful. It is awesome to ride on the Kasara highway. Okay, just make sure the oncoming traffic, if you can see on the right hand side, few motorcycles coming up. You might also see some cars coming up. Suddenly you might also see a truck or a tempo coming up. So be very vigilant. The best thing is, guys, ride at a controllable speed. So that's the end of the Kasara Ghat, or we are now in Igatpuri. But we are not exactly Igatpuri में नहीं है अभी. Igatpuri is another 12 kilometers from here. But then we have crossed Kasara now, and I don't know ये जगह का नाम क्या है, I don't know. But then ऐसा है कि when you look at the Google map, Kasara के बाद if you see it, तुरंत ही उसको Igatpuri कहा जाता है. So
Hello guys, so we have reached Igatpuri, and right behind me is the famous Myanmar gate. Guys, this is the huge entrance for the famous Vipassana Academy. It is one of the biggest meditation centers in the world.
yes, it's Vipassana International Academy, guys, and it's very famous. It's right near Igatpuri. So yeah, you can visit this place if you are heading towards Nasik. It's an awesome place to visit. It's an historical place to visit. So we are here. No signs of rain yet, but still enjoying Mother Nature. And here we are.
Due to the pandemic, we had to take this video at the gate.
Right.
Nobody is allowed inside.
So if you can see, the gates are closed due to the pandemic, so you're not allowed. Otherwise, you can go right there. Right inside there, and you can you can click pictures and you can sit for a while, but due to the pandemic it's been closed. You're not allowed to get inside, guys. All right.